Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Professor Obaidur Rahman, in charge Provost Mir Musharraf Hussain Hall. As you can see, that just we are now in front of the Mir Musharraf Hussain Hall, and we have a very beautiful garden in front of the hall office. And our aim is to just to introduce the students and the peoples and alumni of Jangin University that we have a very beautiful garden. You see just now in front of the hall, which we have a very beautiful flower is called Pretonia. As you can see, this is a white color, the rose pink, and this is actually the excellent the color which gives this is the great Qudrat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This gives our people a very good mind, so the students I think can get a very very good mind, so they can be happy, and when they study here they will be very happy to study, and they enjoy this flower, they enjoy this. So I would like to go just another flower, and this is called in Bengali in Chandra Mallika, in English is called in English kitchen thimam, I think. In Bengali Chandra Mallika, as you can see, the same tree but different color of flower. So from here what we learn, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, His greatness, that He has given so beautiful creature of the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So I think this is really very much beautiful to look at. And then we are going to you see this is a very rose flower. So it's a triangular shape. At the Mir Musharraf Hussain Hall has actually the butterfly shape, which is a two wing, and that actually is two triangular, as we know from the design of the Mir Musharraf Hussain Hall. So we just keep in mind that architecture. We have done this, the triangular shape, and we see the various color of rose flower. And I hope that with all students actually are getting very much happy of enjoying this garden. And then we see this is another beautiful garden. It's called in Bengali is called the dahlia. In English is called what it is called? Dahlia. In English also maybe dahlia, and I'm not very much familiar with the scientific name, but in any case, so you can see also this dahlia flower has a yellow color, pink color, and the various color. So this is once again, this is very, very beautiful to look at, and we enjoy really very much from this dahlia flower. And then we can see that we have a very excellent sunflower, and very tall, and this is the yellow, all of them are yellow to look at, and also very beautiful leaf. And I believe that this is we can proud of this beautiful garden of Mir Musharraf Hussain Hall, Jahangir University. So and then we see the marigold. I think this in Bengali is called the gada flower. As you can see, they're very circular. We have done it in a circular form, in a circular like design, and I hope that even this is a very good smell. I mean, this keeps our mind very happy, and one or the other. Once we have a very beautiful mind, we can do anything. We can concentrate in our study. I mean, the students can concentrate in the study in the afternoon or in the evening. They enjoy this garden, and many people from areas around the area, like Sabah, Dhaka, or the nearby villages, they come here to enjoy this beautiful garden. And then I go to this beautiful this dahlia flower, as you can see. Actually, I'm introducing. I would like to say that why I'm talking this, because I like to show the people that the people can do like our garden everywhere in the university, because our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina said that in every hall, in every students can do the beautiful garden, and according to her advice, we have done, and actually we can proud that we have done it in our Mir Musharraf Hussain Hall. And this is just in front of the hall office, and also inside the hostel we have this kind of very beautiful garden. The people, I think, can be encouraged. People will be happy to see this garden. And this is another beautiful flower, calendula. You can see the calendula, how small tree, but has a beautiful the flower, calendula. So we should have a very good feelings from this garden and from these various kinds of flower like calendula, dahlia, and again we have a excellent rose flower garden, which is also the triangular form, spiral. Also, this another kind of flower. As you can see, this is some sort of pink color. So, and then we again go to the salvia. The salvia, we have also salvia. So this is a salvia. We can see we have a salvia in front of our hall office in the hall. So salvia, and then we go again that flower. We go there. Come here, please. And this is again the rose flower. And this is Danthas. So beautiful the Danthas, you can see. One can really enjoy. Subhanahu wa ta'ala, this is the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us so much beautiful flower. So my aim that our all students should be like a flower, and I'm trying my very best to look after the students of the hostel, their well-being, and to give them as much facilities as I can. So what I'm telling you that this flower is an example for all I think offices, hostels, universities. So and this salvia also, this is salvia. And so you know that salvia is look like a red. In Bangladesh we can also find a salvia in many places. But what we would like to say that we have really a very, very beautiful garden, very garden in front of our hostel. So, and also the tree also. Now we are going to just in front of the, we try to go to the, this way we can go. Yes. Our university, Young University is naturally already beautiful, and this flower makes us more beautiful. And now just in front of the hall gate is called the hotel. We have beautiful gardens as well, beautiful flower garden. So all students are flower actually, and we do take care of all of them to give them facility for study, for good living, for example, to have to provide their table, chair, the washroom, reading room, and everything. So I try my very best to hear all the students. I usually listen all of them. They can communicate with me every time they wish. And I hope that the Mir Musharraf Hussain Hall is one of the good example in Bangladesh, where the students are getting maximum facilities. They have facilities for the Wi-Fi. They have inside. We have one study room. Inside we have the dining room. They have a canteen, and they have a mosque. They have a common room. And they have a television. So all maximum. And the students has no complaint. The students are very happy to live, to stay in our Mir Musharraf Hussain Hall. And then now is my friend Dr. Mansur Ali just with me, and he's my actually we studied together in this hostel. I was a student in of 1984-85 session. Yes.
Yes.
So my friend is Dr. Mansur Ali. Will also say something. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to talk with Dr. Obaidur Rahman, who has sent me a lot of information about this hall. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks to all the students of this hall. Now we are going inside of the hall. Now we have come inside into the hall.
As a whole, দেখাও পারবা পুরাটা একদম হ্যাঁ now we are just now we have entered into the hostel, and this is called the B block, and we see also you can see we have a lychee tree, lychee fruits, and you have the marigold flower, and we have also a cosmos flower here inside. As you can see, this is the cosmos. The English name of this flower is cosmos, I guess. Yes, cosmos. So also you see the various we see that the white color, the pink color, and also this is called whipple, whippy. So weeping tree. So you see that how they are beautifully arranged in a row and in a column, in a line. We can see it's just like a beautiful line of the tree, and in both sides, here in this side as well as this side. So we can proud of this hall that we have made this hostel and a beautiful environment for the students study here. And as I know also from this Mir Musharraf Hussain Hall, the many students are now in very top positions. They are some goes to in education, some minister also we have from this hostel, and also the educationist, businessman, agriculturist, banker, and so as a provost I have tried my very best to provide this beautiful facilities for the students, beautiful environment with beautiful flowers, and also we have at night we have this light is some sort of six light post. So at night also this looks very very beautiful, and I have also provided them the facility for the badminton. As you can see, they can play the badminton here in this winter. We have provided them all rackets and all kinds of things necessary for them. And also we have a Sylvia inside the hostel. So we have actually lychee tree. We see one lychee tree. We see the flower from lychee tree. How beautiful, eh? So this is the kudrat of I must say the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So I hope that by this seeing this environment, my aim is to show the people of all around the world, or even and especially in Bangladesh, that if we try, I think we can have a good environment with the help of the students. The students are helping me, the teachers, the administrations, the vice chancellors, pro-vice chancellors, treasurers, friends, colleagues, wardens, house tutors. So we have a whole body, and the students all together make this hostel is an example for the whole Bangladesh, I believe. And also we have fulfilled the dream of our Prime Minister, that Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina said that the students should try to have a beautiful garden in their hostel, and I hope, and in future we will try to do more, and I hope we have do the work. We have done the work as per the instruction of our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. So I would like to thank you all for watching this. This is first time for me, so there might be a lot of errors. So thank you all. Thank you so much. And my friend Dr. Mansur Ali also maybe will say something.
Thanks for everybody for giving me this opportunity to talk something. I was also a student of this hall, so I feel very happy to come here and to talk with my friends Dr. Obaidur Rahman. Thank you very much everybody around the world. Thank you very much.
And finally, I think I must say one thing that this we have seen this such a beautiful garden. Behind the person, one person, Mr. Abdul Aziz, he is our in charge to look after this garden. And I must introduce him. He is Abdul Aziz, who has spent a lot of time in nourishing this, nurturing these gardens, all these gardens in our hostels. So I would like to thank you also, Mr. Aziz. Would you like to say something? Thank you.
সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ আমাদের মিনবর অপারেশন হলের ছবিগুলো দেখার জন্য। আমরা এই বলে এখানে সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে শেষ করছি।
Thanks for everybody who are watching this video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for being with me.